A Rakhi may be small, but the love behind it is truly priceless. Have you ever wondered why we tie a Rakhi on Raksha Bandhan? Behind this beautiful little thread is a story of love and protection. Lord Krishna was a close friend and well-wisher of Draupadi, the wife of the five Pandava brothers. According to a popular traditional story, one day Krishna hurt his finger and it started bleeding. Seeing this, Draupadi immediately tore a small piece of cloth from her sari and gently tied it around Krishna's finger. It was just a tiny piece of cloth, but for Krishna, it represented something much bigger: Draupadi's love, kindness, and care. Later, when Draupadi needed help, Krishna stood by her and protected her. Their beautiful bond reminds us that love and care can create a special relationship, and that is what Raksha Bandhan celebrates: the promise to care for, support, and protect someone we love. You may have also seen this evil eye stone or nazar charm on many modern Rakhis. Traditionally, the evil eye symbol is believed to protect the wearer from the evil eye and negative energy. It is commonly used as a symbol of protection, positivity, and good wishes. While it is a cultural belief and not something scientifically proven to have magical powers, many people love including it in Rakhis because it adds a special meaning to the gift. And today, as these little beads come together, we are creating more than just a beautiful Rakhi. We are creating a small reminder of a beautiful bond, a bond filled with love, care, good wishes, and protection. So, this Raksha Bandhan, let's celebrate the beautiful people who stand by us, care for us, and make our lives brighter. Wish you a happy Raksha Bandhan.